Hi everyone, my name is Jenna. I am interning in Melbourne, Australia, and I currently am interning for the Melbourne Performance and Fitness Centre.
For my internship in Melbourne, I worked alongside of the trainers and physiotherapists at the Paran Football Club. We try to have a different activity every afternoon before we go to work. So my internship includes Monday through Thursday night trainings.
During that first half of the shift, I'll be coaching some senior athletes through some techniques, and they're making sure that their exercises are good, their form is good. And then the second half of my shift, I will be working with the youth athletes and coaching the youth classes.
My days off, I would go around, explore the city. There's so much to do. There was a big group of us that went skydiving, which was very much out of my comfort zone, but the best experience I've ever had in my entire life. I never thought I would do anything like that, but afterwards I was so proud of myself. I was able to apply what I learned in the classroom, in anatomy, and other classes, but also what I've learned at the internship.
Something that I've experienced in my real life internship that I've learned from JMU is IT band injuries. Knowing what to do, knowing what I'm seeing, and what I'm feeling helped so much when actually doing it in a practical sense.
The most unique thing about Australians' culture that I found here is especially their commitment to kind of highlighting and honoring the Aboriginal culture. Actually, last week, it was NAIDRC week, which is where they honor the Aboriginal culture.
I become more confident, especially in a professional environment, speaking up and asking questions and adjusting to new routines.
Another piece of advice I have is to ask questions about anything you want to know. Your head trainers and supervisors know so much information and they're willing to share it with you.
Just live it up, make the most of it, have fun, make new friends. You'll make friends with the people at your internship. You'll make friends with the people who are just here studying abroad.
And definitely just make the most of your time because it does go so fast.
There's just so much to do in Melbourne. I was never bored.